In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Jobber with Google Calendar. This will take approximately 5 minutes, and by the end of this guide, you'll have a seamless integration that keeps your scheduling organized and efficient. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar at the top, type in Jobber to navigate to the Jobber website. Hopefully, you already have a bookmarked link for quick access. But if not, typing it into your browser and proceeding with the search is the way to go. Once you're on the home page, you'll either log in with your existing credentials if you already have an account, or you'll want to sign up if you're new to Jobber. Signing up is straightforward and only requires basic information, ensuring you can access the platform and all its features. After logging in or signing up, let's move on to the next step. Within Jobber, you'll want to locate your schedule. Navigating to your schedule is critical because this is where you'll manage all your appointments and tasks that you want synced with Google Calendar. You'll find the Schedule option on the main navigation menu once you're logged into your account. This is the hub of your activity and where all the magic happens. Now, look for the option that says More Actions. This can usually be found within the schedule view itself. It's typically a button that might be symbolized by 3 dots or a similar icon indicating additional features and actions you can perform with your schedule. After clicking on More Actions, you'll want to select Set up Calendar Sync. This option is important because it facilitates the connection between Jobber and Google Calendar, ensuring that every update is synchronized seamlessly. Once you've selected Set up Calendar Sync, you'll receive additional options that allow you to choose which types of items you want to sync. This may include jobs, visits, or other items, depending on what you use Jobber for the most. Selecting the right types ensures that only relevant information is sent over to your Google Calendar, keeping the integration clean and organized. Once you've made your selections, you'll need to copy the URL provided. To do this, simply click the Copy button. This URL is essential as it serves as the link between Jobber and your Google Calendar. It's always a good idea to keep this URL handy for easier access in the future if you need to set up the sync again or if alterations are necessary. And that wraps up the process of syncing Jobber with Google Calendar. With this setup, your scheduling can be more streamlined, saving you time and reducing the risk of missing any important appointments or tasks. I hope this guide was helpful, and thanks for tuning in.